Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best shoe wipes is probably one of the most underrated essentials for anyone who loves their shoes. From everyday sneakers to your favorite leather boots, keeping your footwear clean can be a real struggle. But what if there was an easy, convenient way to tackle dirt, dust, and those unexpected spills? Today, we're diving deep into the world of shoe wipes, exploring what makes them a must-have for shoe care. Number 5. Shoe Cleaner Shoe Wipes. These wipes are designed for quick and easy cleaning. Say goodbye to dirt and grime on your shoes. Simply wipe away scuffs and stains. It's that easy to keep your shoes looking their best. Their compact size makes them perfect for travel or on-the-go cleaning. Keep a pack in your bag for any cleaning emergency. They effectively remove dirt, scuffs, and other marks, leaving your shoes looking fresh and clean. These wipes are gentle enough for various materials, so you can use them on all your favorite shoes without worry. They not only clean but also help protect your shoes from future damage, keeping them looking great longer. What we like. These wipes feature a unique dual-layer technology that effectively erases tough marks and dirt. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to keep your shoes looking their best, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a hassle-free cleaning experience. What people say. Works well. It depends on the type of material you need to clean. Not suitable for highly textured rubber soles. Clean smooth soles immediately. I use these wipes on the rubber around my sneakers which get dirty frequently. They look like new now and it cleaned completely in about 2 minutes. It cleans pretty good. Of course, it is not magic, but it works. The shoe in front had more texture in the sole and got clean but not perfect. The one in the back I have used for months and it looks like new. Took me 5 minutes and one wipe sheet to clean both pairs. Number 4. SneakERASERS Instant Sneaker Cleaner. These pre-moistened sponges are perfect for quick cleanups, anytime, anywhere. Their compact, individual packaging makes them ideal for travel. Just add water if they dry out. They're designed for optimal performance on smooth white soles. The white side breaks down naturally with use to tackle scuffs, while the orange side removes any remaining dirt. With dual-layer technology, microscrubbers, and a special cleaning formula, it effectively erases tough marks and dirt from your shoes. No harsh scrubbing needed. Gently glide it across your shoes to watch stains disappear effortlessly. It's great for sneakers, tennis shoes, and more. Use them on various shoe types and materials, from canvas to leather, for any occasion. It's the #1 shoe cleaning brand on Amazon, and part of a larger line of cleaning products for cars, golf equipment, and more. It works great on many popular shoe brands, including Nike, Adidas, Converse, and Vans. What we like. These wipes use a plant-based formula, making them a safe and eco-friendly option for your shoes. If you are looking for a versatile and convenient cleaner that is gentle on your shoes and the environment, you should consider this. It's ideal for those who prioritize both cleanliness and sustainability. What people say. They are absolutely amazing, just a couple swipe and all the dirt is gone, and they also able to clean the plastic-like areas on the uppers that I hadn't previously been able to get marks off of. These are really handy to polish the shoes and soles after golf or a run. Not designed to remove caked-on mud, just a cleanup. Small size for the gym or golf bag. To use, open the package and wipe the shoes. They are durable, last for 2 sets of shoes giving them a nice look. Works perfect, remove the dirt in seconds. I recommend to start with the white part and then if does not get removed, then use the other part. You can use one sponge multiple times, if has a good texture, so it's durable, and easy to apply, does not require much pressure. Number 3. Markk Plant-Based Quick Wipes. Say hello to the easiest way to keep your shoes looking their best. These plant-based wipes are perfect for quick cleanups, on the go. Each wipe is individually sealed for freshness and convenience. It's perfect for travel or keeping in your gym bag. They're made with a plant-based formula, so you can feel good about using them. It's gentle yet effective. It's safe for use on leather, rubber, plastic, and more. Clean your favorite shoes without worry. These wipes are perfect for sneakers, boots, and more. Keep your footwear looking fresh and clean. Simply wipe down your shoes and you're done. It's that easy to maintain your footwear. What we like. These wipes have a textured surface for thorough cleaning and are individually wrapped for easy portability. If you are always on the go and need a quick solution to keep your sneakers clean, this is the perfect choice. It's designed for sneaker lovers who need a convenient and effective cleaning solution. What people say. They're durable, moist enough to tackle messes, and leave no sticky residue behind. Perfect for on-the-go use, whether for hands, surfaces, or small spills. Great for travel, and for a quick shine at home when in a hurry. They also work on running shoes. The two-sided wipe with a soft side and a rough side was genius. The rough side of the wipe is good for scrubbing down dirt and scuffs off the soles of the shoe, and the soft side is good for wiping the tops and kind of polishing them up. One wipe allowed me to clean a whole pair of shoes without fraying or breaking apart. Number 2. Swipz Sneaker Cleaning Wipes. Tired of messy sneaker cleaning? These wipes make cleaning a breeze. Just wipe and go. No more brushes, bottles, or rags. It's the perfect on-the-go solution for keeping your shoes looking their best. These wipes are tough on dirt and grime, yet gentle on all types of shoe materials. They're safe for leather and more. Each wipe is individually wrapped, making them perfect for travel. Toss a few in your bag and stay fresh on the go. Whether you're an athlete, collector, or just love clean sneakers, these wipes are a must-have. Give the gift of clean sneakers. What we like. These wipes provide an instant shine and are also effective on leather handbags and briefcases. If you need a quick touch-up for your shoes and other leather items, this is the perfect solution. It's ideal for those who want a versatile and convenient product for maintaining their leather goods. What people say. They clean better than any other expensive shoe cleaner I've tried. Great on my white sneakers. They clean really well and don't leave a residue. Also, they're not smelly. I'm impressed using them to keep my all-white on clouds clean. I had a few small grass stains that these wipes easily took care of. Will definitely repurchase. Number 1. Diamond Wipes Shoe Shine Wipes. It's the perfect solution for quick shoe shines on the go. No need for messy polish or brushes, just wipe and shine. These wipes keep your shoes clean without damaging the leather. They're great for all leather colors and even clean the soles. They're not just for shoes. Use them to easily clean your leather bags and briefcases, leaving no streaks behind. Individually wrapped for convenience, they're perfect for travel or everyday use. Always keep a fresh wipe handy. As a leading wet wipe manufacturer, we bring you the same quality and convenience you've come to expect. Try them today. What we like. These wipes are disposable and easy to use, eliminating the need for brushes and liquids. If you are looking for a convenient and mess-free way to clean your shoes, this is the ideal choice. It's perfect for those who want a simple and effective cleaning solution on the go. What people say. One towelette did a very nice job on providing a nice quick shine before going out. They come individually wrapped just like a wet nap you get at a restaurant, but each wipe holds enough shine to easily shine a pair of shoes. The shine will last a few days before needing to be reapplied. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.